Happy, what's the date today?
Today's Saturday.
What's the date, my love?
It is
So guapo,
17 today, babe.
My baby's so guapo. Let's go.
You want, babe? You go out and I'll shut the door
It's
behind you.
raining pala. Oh.
No, it's not anymore. It's warm outside.
Yeah, but it's wet again.
It's drying up, though.
Kawawa na yung ating girl. Oh, so, good morning, guys! Matagal kaming walang vlog ni Craig. Mga 1 week din, guys. Kasi na-injure yung aking likod. Sa sobrang mga, kakulitan ko na buhat-buhat ng mga gamit. And then, nabenta ko yung isang cabinet namin kasi nga gusto namin ibahin yung pininturahan ko dati na binigay ni mother-in-law. So, nabenta ko siya ng $320. So, binigay ko kay mother-in-law. And ngayon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog, guys, kasi hindi ako makagalaw. Sobrang sakit ng likod ko. Dito na si Craig. So,
hello, bud.
Hindi ako mag-drive kasi hindi ako hindi ko matingnan yung sa side. So, yun, guys, ang tagal nating walang vlog. Pero okay lang, mag-vlog tayo today. Saturday. Basta kasi yung likod ko lang naman yung iniisip ko. So, hindi ako makagalaw masyado. Kaya lagi lang ako nakahiga ng mga 3 araw ata. So, ngayon, medyo okay na siya. Pero nafe-feel ko pa rin yung sakit. Kaya, na talaga, lesson learned. Na wag na buhat ng mga mabibigat. Yung matitigas ang ulo.
Ulo.
I'm just saying that I'm injured because I'm hard-headed, babe.
Yeah, we all know, babe.
Yeah. So, see you. Sasama kayo sa amin. Kami ni Craig. Magpapasyal-pasyal. Ang gwapo ng asawa ko, guys. Suot niya yung binigay sa kanya ng anak niya. You look good with this, my love.
You like that one?
Especially black. You look good.
It's my secret weapon, babe.
Oh, your favorite color? So, ang ganda na aming neighborhood dito. Mga neighborhood, hello! Ganda ng araw today. It's sunny, hindi malamig.
15 degrees, babe.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh,
It's not
springtime soon.
cold. Yeah, it's true.
June, July, August. So this is the last
I like
winter.
spring. Oh, really?
Yeah.
August is the last?
Yeah.
That's good.
It can still be a little bit cold and wet sometimes in spring, but it'd be good to go up to the rhododendron garden.
Yeah. I like to go back there when it's a lot of flower already. Because it's like we don't really see them like on their time. Yan, guys. Ang ganda niyan, oh. Ganda ng nila. Pagkagawa. So, now see you again later. Very good weather.
Yeah, 16 degrees.
Ganda yung house na yan, no? They were in the middle of nowhere. Middle of nowhere.
Yeah, they got a bit of privacy.
Yep.
The green grass, a fair bit of green grass.
Kami ni Craig dito, guys. Kasi naghahanap kami ng makakain. Hi, guys. Nagpark lang kami doon, guys. Oh. And then,
Yeah, we're down the road.
Kaming kumain, guys, and maglakad-lakad na kami dito sa town. How's your breakfast, babe?
Yeah, breakfast is yummy, babe.
Good.
I ate too much.
Wala nang mga dahon yung mga puno. Yeah, we're going there. We're going there. Looking for books, guys. Hanap ko ng books. What is this? I Buddha. No, I don't like that. So nice. Whoa, that's cute. I like this. Malab. That's very nice.
Which one?
This heart, the one with the heart.
Oh, with
the
the
black
black
heart. Yeah.
It's a bracelet, is it?
That's bangle too.
Yeah, it looks like a bangle, doesn't it? The black.
Hindi na naman kami mamaya dito. That's what I'm looking for. This one. Guys, nagpa-earring si Craig. Kita earring. See? Ala, it's red. Craig's is buy a new suitcase and more shopping there. He cannot carry it. Yeah, it's heavy. Plastic. So, hi guys! Nasa sasakyan na kami guys. Bumili kami ng luggage and then pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Nakabili din ako ng Guess na shoulder bag. Oh. And then nagbumili si Craig ng earrings. Ang gwapo-gwapo ng asawa ko. So cute na, look. Ooh, lala. May earrings na siya guys. Kasi akala niya, it's been a long time na he never put earrings. And he thought it's already closed. But last night, I just said, oh, I will just try. Maybe it's still on. Because when I touch it, it's like there's a big circle inside. So when I poke my earrings, it's go through. Yeah. So I said, he still have.
Only a little bit of blood, wasn't there, babe?
No, there's no blood.
Just a little bit.
No. You still have your the hole. It still have the hole. So yun guys, kaya ngayon sabi ko magbili tayo ng earrings mo. Then bumili kami ng earrings niya. And then bumili kami ng luggage kasi nga I'm not gonna say it yet, but we're going somewhere again. We're going somewhere. Where are we going? Where are we going, babe?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, but we're going, guys. We're gonna have a holiday again.
Oh, in next week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going
somewhere that you've never been, babe.
Yes. It's still part of Australia, but I never been there. And that one is it a big city there, Mala?
Oh yeah, big enough, yeah.
Yeah. So yun guys. It's like this year we've been to almost around Australia.
Yeah, you've been to Sydney?
Sydney, Melbourne, and here Tasmania, and next still Australia guys, but we're going there. So may travel kami ni babe next week. Is it next week na, Mala?
Next Saturday, yeah. Next Saturday.
Our flight is next Saturday guys. So yun, so it's raining na here in what is this? Devonport. So we're going back to Burnie.
Are we?
I don't know where we're gonna go.
Yeah, don't get angry.
I think I wanna go to Susan's.
Yeah, they might be closed in Burnie.
Oh, true. They're open Saturday, actually.
Sunday or Saturday?
Saturday they're open.
Yeah, but they might be closed at 2.
Oh yeah, because it's
search it.
Yeah, it's good. No, I think they're closed. That's true. So yun guys, ay ang likod ko guys, masakit pa rin siya. Meron, this house is so pretty, oh. Wow, both of them. It's actually nice. It's very clean how they make. Hindi ko na napakita guys kasi so yan, babalik na kami siguro sa bahay kasi umuulan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin. Bye guys, see you at home. Bye my love. Ooh, I got your earrings.
Sorry babe, take it out.
No, kami dyan guys, tingnan lang namin kung mayroon silang armchair. Okay, dito. Sana may makita tayong upuan. Punta kami dito sa Harvey Norman guys. May titingnan lang kami. Harvey Norman. This is our table. How much now? Oh yeah, $4.99 still. This. Oh, pink one. If they have green, that's nice. I think it's rolling. Oh, I like that. I'm reading the books. So guys, nandito kami sa Woolies na pauwi na kami sa bahay, pero bumili lang si Craig ng mga wala kami sa bahay kasi maglalabay kami bukas and wala na kaming liquid para sa aming washing. And ang likod ko masakit pa rin. So, sabi ko dito lang magpaiwan na ako sa car. Ikaw na lang bumili doon. So, siya nang kumuha. So, pagkita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano nakuha namin, guys. And then, kanina, it's very sun. Buang talaga itong sasakyan namin. Ganyan yan siya. Tumutunog. Nandito naman ako sa loob. Kakainis. So, ayan. Pagkita ko sa inyo kung ano yung binili namin. Pasensya kayo guys kung hindi ako nakapag-upload ng ilang araw, magwa 1 week din. Dahil nga sa injured ko. And nakahiga lang ako lagi sa living room namin. And wala kami masyadong ganap. So, ayan. So, maybe this week, magsistay siguro yung anak ni Craig sa amin. Pag nasa work yung kanyang jowa. Kasi, nagpabunot siya ng kanyang, ano ba nito, wisdom teeth. So, 3 yung nakuha talaga. So, para may kasama siya. So, sa bahay mo na siya magsistay. Hindi naman siya matutulog doon. Kumbaga kung araw lang kasi para hindi siya maboard. So, yun. And then, Saturday, this coming Saturday today, guys. And then, naalis kami next Saturday. Wala kami dito. Pabiyahe kami ni Craig. So, yung flight namin from here to Melbourne and then to Melbourne sa pupuntahan namin. So, yun. May aasikasuhin kami, guys. And plus, magala-gala na lang din kami doon. Pero may importante talaga kaming pupuntahan doon. Hindi ko na lang muna sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi, basta yun. Pagsabihin ko baka, basta. Sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo, guys, pag natuloy-tuloy na talaga siya and everything is good. I will just share to you. But for now, ganyan lang muna ang masasabi ko. Itong pimples na to, buwan ako dito ng pimples na sobrang laki. Pero healed na siya. But, ang kanyang marks ay nandyan pa rin. Ito yung kind of pimples na hindi ko gusto kasi para talaga siyang bumubukol. Tapos, ang tagal niyang mawala. But anyway, I'm waiting for Craig and then we're going home. So, yun guys. See you at home. See? Buang talaga tong car namin. Hi, Evgon. Hi, Evgon. Hello, everybody. We're home now. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung nabili ko, guys. Pumunta ako sa Lily and Luna. So, pumunta kami kay ni Craig. Nakabili ako ng... What is this? Yes. Ano to? Pang regalo ko pala ito, hindi ko napakita. Ay, hindi. Sige, pakita ko na lang. Ay, nakalock siya. So, iregalo ko to, guys. Birthday ni Craig. Then, bumili ako pumunta kami sa bookstore. Kasi naghanap nga ako ng mga babasahing libro. Pero wala akong may nakita doon na magustuhan ko. So, bibili lang ako nito. Yung parang everyday, mo siya, guys. Parang journal. Yan. Yung parang I am grateful for. So, ganyan. Sulat mo siya dyan. Then, makes me feel. So, you're, here. You'll sulat every day. So, it's very nice. So, I'm gonna do that. And, yeah, no. Very correct. I don't need to start. And, pumunta kami sa Guess, guys. What is the name of that shop, my love?
Strand bags.
Strand bags.
Yeah.
So, yung marami silang iba-iba doon. Yung kanilang talaga doon, mga guest na bag. So, I got this, guys. Ang cute. Bili sa akin ni Craig. Craig bought me this. And, ang ganda na kanyang Hala, may dust bag siya, my love.
Hey?
She got a dust bag, Guess. You know, ang ganda kasi ng brand ng, di ba maganda yung brand ng Guess? Kahit sa mga watches nila, maganda sila. Pero mas maganda sila sa mga bags. Ayan guys, ang ganda. May dust bag siya.
To put it in, is it?
Yes, the dust bag. To protect your bag. And so, ang ganda. I like the style. Kasi pwede mo siyang hindi siya ganun kataas, guys. So, pang ganyan siya. Ganyan lang. Ganyan mo. And then, kung gusto mo din siya i-shoulder, you can also do it. Yung parang Chanel na, siya, version, but it just this. But,
use it when we go away, babe.
yes. Gagamitin ko to sa aming travel soon. Travel soon. Ang ganda niya. I really like it. And ang kanyang material ba, it's, so, maganda yung brand nito eh. Meron siya medyo. So, ang dami niyang lalagyan. Tanggalan natin ng laman. I don't know. I love bugs. So, yun guys, ang kanyang loob. So, may nakalagay dyan na, yes, meron din siyang packet dito. So, ang ganda! It's very pretty. Ayan siya.
It's got nice leather, right? It feels
Yeah,
right.
it's like, the material is
Soft.
really good. So, meron siyang dust bag. Ilagay natin yan. Yeah, safe na yung bag ko. I think this is the, siya, because Guess is really a brand of a bag also. And watches, they're good at it. And meron silang pa-free. Ganyan. Ito naman pang shopping bag to. For free lang ito, guys. Di ba, Mala? This is free?
Well, supposedly, we did buy the bag.
Yeah, but this one, she just give this, right?
Yeah, she said she wasn't supposed to give that, but...
Why? Oh, we can use this to... Oh, wow! It's also nice. It's actually like you can use it as a bag. Yeah. If you go, guys, go to the beach, you can use this, or go to have shopping, you can use that. Bibigyan din ako nito. So, meron akong pa-free na dalawa. Na binili ko yung Guess na bag kasi medyo mahal siya. So, ayan. Binigyan nila tayo ng free. Sabi nila, naka 50%, pero mahal pa rin. So, yan. Cute! Then, sana yung luggage. Bumili din kami ng luggage, guys. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo. So, yan. Yan na siya. Tanggalin natin ito. Can I have the scissor? Scissor, please. Kid. Wow, cute. I love it. I'm gonna use this. Pag alis kami ni Craig. Meron na akong isang pang travel bag doon. Yun yung lalagyan ko ng mga gamit na. Pero itong gagamitin ko. Dadaling ko din. Ang ganda. Then, lagyan ko siya ng mga pen or makeup. You can use this if you want to put makeup. Pero ayaw kong lagyan ng pen to. This is not good if you will put a pen because this is like rubber. So,
right.
If the ball pen will gonna mark. Okay. But anyway, so yun lang guys. That's our Saturday and it's already 3:35. So, hapon na. Then, see you again on our next vlog. Kasi wala naman kami gagawin ni Craig. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga nabuhat ko dito sa bahay na sumakit yung aking likod. Suot na tayo ng slipper. My favorite one. So, kung saan makikita nyo, iba na rin nakalagay dito guys. So, ayan. Hindi ko yan na-vlog. Basta naayos ko yun siya last time. So, ito yung mga nabili namin last time, right? Then, ito siya, yung mga papel lang. Tapos, ginawa ko siyang picture dyan para pang display. So, di ba ang cute? Wala na yung aming dito, display cabinet kasi binenta ko na. And then, yung isa dyan, ibang color naman. So, ang cute niya. Dalawa sila. So, wala na yung display cabinet dyan. Binenta ko na yun. Plus, yung lagayan ng dyan. Wala na siya. But it's alright. So, yan yung binili ni Craig na bag. with that. And that's my
Hi,
husband.
mate.
My husband is so pogi. So yun lang guys. See you again later. Bye. Bye, babe!
Bye, mate.
Tayo maya mo ka muna nga bana. Buot-buot. Bana ko no.
Hit me back, babe.
Hey, Giggle. Post the music.
I just did this sheet and then I realised it was upside down, babe. Rework.
Rework. Guys, kasi masakit yung likod ko, kaya si babe na ang gumagawa ng aming higaan, guys. Pinalitan niya. Good job, my love. Thank you, my love.
It's all good, mate. That's your dish, isn't it?
Yeah, you're done.
We can do the rest later.
You're doing good, babe. Pink is pink. Pink ang aming ano today. Mutip. Mutip. Hindi talaga marunong. Ay, ay, ay. See you na, guys. I'm gonna have that double.
Okay, babe. Yummy.
Yummy! But you're gonna have the pie.
Yeah?
Yes. So guys, katatapos lang namin manood ng aming movie. Natapos na din namin sa wakas. So chill kami dito. Hindi pa kami nag-dinner. I'm not hungry yet because ang dami namin kinain. So nagkakape si Craig. Then, what time na ba? Ano oras? What's the time?
You got it?
Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love.